Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. If you're new to the channel, my name is Omar, and today we're going to do some backwater fishing. This is my second time in this area. I came back because I want to try and figure something out, since it's a big channel and there's a lot of drop-off. So I'm going to see if I can try to figure these fish out in this kind of area, and hopefully we can get in some action. So y'all stay tuned and let's get after it. This cut right here, I could probably push in a little bit and hit that narrow gap back there. Just never know. Gotta see how shallow it is too. One. Something not bad one. Come here, buddy. What we got here, man? Little skinny guy too. Hold on, hold on. There we go. First one. Not bad. Thanks, little buddy. Try that jerkbait. Let's do that. Tie on this jerkbait here. Can't find my ripstop. I don't know where I left it. Need to order a new one. There he is. Didn't expect that. Oh, that's a nice trout too. Look at that. Crazy, that switch. Dude, this is a nice trout. Look at that. Man, we'll get you out, buddy. Quick change of lure and he was on it. There we go. We got you, buddy. Let's get this unhooked here. And then we'll get this fish out. If not, let's get this guy out. We'll let him go. Man, this is a nice trout. I'm not gonna measure him. He's probably 17. I can probably keep him, but I'm gonna let him go. Beautiful. Thanks, buddy. Whoa. Turn around and do that again. Man, first cast on the lure switch here. This is actually a freshwater jerkbait. I want to say it's a Strike King KVD. I forget the color. I'll look it up, but we're gonna keep throwing this guy. Might even throw that neon color, dude. Where's it at? Oh, what was that? There he is. Oh. Y'all wouldn't believe what I just saw. Y'all wouldn't believe it. That was a tarpon. I was looking down, but that was a tarpon. We're gonna see if we can get him to eat. Man, that was crazy. And we're gonna throw a worm. Let's see if we can pick up some bass here. He had it, didn't realize it. Hopefully he didn't swallow it. He did not. That's a good, decent fish. Come on, buddy. Okay, he was in there. Maybe we can get our worm back. He chomped it pretty good. Hung up on the rudder. Get this hook up. There we go. Thanks, buddy. Oh man, I had him. Little guy. Barely felt the tap on that guy. Let me see here. Try one more here, and then we'll throw that paddle tail. There he is right here. I may have burned the spot. I think I burned the spot. He was right here. There they are. Let me see something. Big old stumps right here. Joe! It's a pleasure to meet you. Bound to run into you, huh? Ran into Joe Bucher. You know, been following him on Facebook for a little while, and seen a lot of the big redfish that he's caught, and kind of pretty awesome to finally run into him out here. So he gave me a few pointers being out here, so we're gonna head back up the water system here and try to work that area. Plus we're running out of time, so might as well get close to the launch and try to look for these fish. So let's keep getting after it, and hopefully we can find some more fish that are willing to bite. Minnowz it. Oh, lost him. Gotta find one in here. One bass is all I need from in here, man. Don't do that to me now. Because I think there's one in this pocket. Decent one. So these creek bass, they fight good, man. Look at them. Oh no. Let's get this in. We got a mishap over here. This line got in this lure. What the heck, dude? Just let me have that back. I'll figure that out in a second while we let this guy go. Man, he's a little chunky, dude. Heck yeah. Dude, nice one. Thanks, buddy. You fought good, too. There he is. What is this? A bluegill. This little fella tried to eat it. I didn't even know he was on there. There we are. Nice little guy. Alright y'all, that's gonna wrap up today's video. Not a bad day. I got on a few fish, saw some tarpon rolling, so that was pretty exciting. Also got to meet Joe Bucher. That was pretty awesome. Super cool guy, humble. Gave me a few pointers, so hopefully I can keep that in my back pocket and apply it next time I come out here, and hopefully get on some big bull reds like he does. But either way, appreciate y'all tuning in. Hopefully y'all enjoyed this video, and I'll catch y'all next time.